Welcome back to another video, and this video we have a look of Chiliz crypto. What's the price change occur in Chiliz, what's the high price of Chiliz, and what's the current status of Chiliz in a cryptocurrency. I will show you in this video, friends. So before starting this brain video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Let's see the last 7-day price prediction of the Chiliz. As you can see here, that is the last 1 week price prediction of Chiliz. As you can see here, if we look, the average change occur in the Chiliz is about negative 1.04% change occur in the Chiliz in the last 7 days. Absolutely bad change occur in the Chiliz. So friends, if we look the high price of Chiliz, so the high price of Chiliz is about $0.516234 is the high price of Chiliz in the previous last 7 day. Now let's see the chart analysis of the Chiliz cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, in the start of this week, they continuously falling down. As you can see here, falls down, and if we look the last 2 days reset, as you can see here, absolutely explosion of the Chiliz are starts now. They recovered their previous 5 days explosion and only 2 days. As you can see here, that's a 2 days explosion, and that's a 4 days dumping, as you can see here. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction of the Chiliz crypto. What's the price change goes and Chiliz. As I told you, as I show you in the start of this video, that last week 2 days are the explosion day of Chiliz cryptocurrency. That is why the last day result is a positive 6.25% change occur in Chiliz in the last day, and the high price of Chiliz is about $0.522197 is the high price of Chiliz in the previous last day. So as you can see here, friends, it's absolutely an explosion period of the Chiliz, and now they are also an explosion, as you can see here. So it's the best news, it's a good news for all Chiliz holder. Now let's see the current situation of the Chiliz, what's going in Chiliz at this time. As you can see here, absolutely good change occur in Chiliz at this time. As you can see here, oh my goodness, what's the chart tell us? Oh my goodness, as it misleading or not. As you can see here, now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. As you can see here, friends, that is the last 1 hour price prediction. Is the change as 2.2% change occur in the last only 1 hour. That's a current price prediction. That's a now price prediction of shares live you are watching now. Friends, if we look the chart analysis, the chart analysis tell us that if we look the currently status of the Chiliz, absolutely they are ready to explosion, and the high price amount is also good for $0.597191, which are the current price. The high price is the current price of Chiliz, friends. So according to the price prediction of last 1 day, last 1 hour, last week, it is clear that the Chiliz cryptocurrency start explosion in the previous days, and currently they are also in explosion. So my suggestion for all of Chiliz holders, that please, if you want to make money in a cryptocurrencies market, so please hold your Chiliz coin with the last of this month, because the big explosion of Chiliz are coming soon. So please wait for it and please hold it. And if you want to buy a Chiliz cryptocurrencies, if your plan is to buy Chiliz, so absolutely it's a good plan. That's my suggestion for you to buy a Chiliz coin. It's because they are now in explosion mode, so please, it's the best time to buy Chiliz coin. I'm not ordering you, that's my suggestion only. What's your opinion about Chiliz? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe IBS Tech channel for more latest news and updates.